Hello everyone, welcome to channel. Today we will learn subject and predicate. First we will learn what is subject and predicate. Look into some examples. At the end of this video, I will give you an exercise to practice. Let's start. What is subject and predicate? Sentence is made up of two parts. First one, a person or a thing being described or we are speaking about. Second one, say something about a person or a thing. The part of sentence tells who or what the sentence is about is called a subject. The part of subject which tells what is being said about the subject is called a predicate. Let me give you some example to understand better. Ravi is running fast. A sentence is made up of two parts. Whom we are talking about so? Ravi is a subject here. And what he is doing? He is running fast. Is running fast is a predicate. Look into another example. He has no money in his pocket. He has no money in his pocket. Here, who has no money in his pocket? What is being said about him? Has no money in his pocket is a predicate. Look into another example. The cackling of geese saved Rome. Here, the entire phrase, the cackling of a geese is describing who is the main character of the sentence. So, it is the subject. And saved Rome is the predicate. Note, from the example that a subject can be a noun like a Ram, pronoun like a he, or a noun phrase like a the cackling of a geese, and a predicate must contain a verb. It may or may not have other word, but verb is a compulsory here. The subject usually comes first, as you can see in these examples, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. Example, here comes the bus. In this example, here comes the bus is the predicate, the bus is the subject. And one more point, imperative sentences U is by default in the subject. Example, sit down. In this example, if someone asks you what is subject and what is predicate, you must remember that imperative sentence, the subject is by default you and sit down is a predicate here. After all this example, I hope now you will be able to identify subject and predicate in the sentence. I will give you some exercise. In the following sentence, identify the subject and the predicate. Pause this video and solve these answers and comment in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And click bell icon for the more videos.